Hello everyone, good morning and welcome back to the Wild Wheels. I'm back with another video after 2 weeks I think. Beach wala hafta I went with my friends to Ooty. I just took one shot there and it was more of a relaxation wala trip. But yeah, a lot of fun. Alright, so today where am I going, right? So I'm going to Jayamangali Black Buck Reserve. It's around 2.5 hours away from Bangalore Whitefield where I stay. And I've heard it's a good place. It also has a bit of off-roading. So जाके देखते हैं पहले कितने black buck मिलते हैं and how good the place is. I'm gonna be riding solo today. I did ask a couple of my friends, but they all had some of the other work today. But मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि today is actually a very good day to ride because there isn't going to be any traffic. Today is 2nd of October, Mahatma Gandhi Jayanti, so everything is off. And so when everything is off, Bangalore is quiet. आराम से ride होके आ सकते हो. And yeah, so hopefully I don't find any traffic and have a good ride. Now the way to Jayamangali Black Buck Reserve is again through STRR, and then I think I just need to reach at the end of it, cross your Dodballapur, and then keep going straight. I think that's where it is. How much time is it showing? By 9:36 I should be there, so it's okay I guess. Even if I could have started early. I wanted to start at around 5:30, but I didn't put up any alarm. It was like, yeah, ठीक है, अगर उठ गए तो उठ गए, नहीं उठे तो कोई बात नहीं. So I got up at around 6:15, 6:20. In fact, मेरा cook भी आ गया था, and it seems he was standing outside the gate for almost 15 minutes. I couldn't get up. In fact, none of my family members could get up. My mom, my wife, everyone kept sleeping. And then finally मैंने जाके दरवाज़ा खोला. But yeah, I think we were all tired with our Ooty trip because Ooty से हम लोग वापस आए and then the next day I had to go to office. So again the whole grind kind of started, like, you know, as soon as we reached Bangalore. अब जाके finally थोड़ा off मिला तो I think we all took it a bit lightly. Okay. So it seems थोड़ा बहुत traffic तो रहेगा ही. Yeah, I'm thinking about actually getting a new seat also. The one with the lower height. इसके दो sizes आते हैं. The current one that I have is the stock one. And ये my height is around 5'9". So थोड़ा तो issue देता है यार. I mean, not a lot, but still it gives me issue. Let me increase my speed as well. आज काफ़ी riders मिलेंगे because I am sure they all want to, you know, grab this opportunity. It's very rare that middle of the week तुम्हारे पास छुट्टी है and there are a lot of festivals around. So the roads are gonna be empty and काफ़ी मज़ा आएगा ride करने में, right? So that's the reason why I see so many people here. Anyway, I'm gonna pause the video somewhere here, maybe get my ND filter on. Alright people, so my ND filter is on. I think ND filter सही रहेगा because it's quite sunny and ND filter का काम ही यही है. जब बहुत सनी हो तो बहुत बढ़िया वीडियोस निकाले. Hopefully the videos that I capture are good. पता नहीं कुछ blur हो जाए तो नहीं पता मुझे because it keeps happening time to time. But yeah, gonna be a very good ride because I see a lot of riders here. काफ़ी मज़ा आने वाला है. I've got my sunglasses on, sun visor, sorry. And the ride is on, buddy. The ride is on. इतना कार वार चलाने के बाद finally I'm on my bike. Feels amazing. Feels beautiful. B-E-A, beautiful. हो I was going to miss my left turn. यही होता है, ज़्यादा जोश वोश में आ जाओ ना. This is what happens. Alright everyone, so still on HTRR, another 1 hour and 45 minutes to go. Been a lovely ride so far, but अब HTRR से मैं slowly बोर हो रहा हूँ. So maybe the next trip that I take will definitely not be here. कुछ तो मुझे एक अलग जगह ढूंढनी पड़ेगी, so that at least कुछ तो different हो. Because I keep riding on the same road, and that will get boring for you guys as well. ओए ये क्या हुआ? मेरा चिगी बंद हो गया भाई. ये मेरे को समझ में नहीं आता है, चिगी बीच बीच में बंद क्यों हो जाता है भाई? क्या चक्कर है यार? What is the issue here? हाँ? Well, what just happened? लग रहा है रोक के देखना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज आई डोंट नो द वे. अब अगर चिगी नहीं काम करेगा then it becomes a problem यार. लेट मी सी क्या हो गया चिगी को? नो कनेक्शन. हाँ, व्हाई इज इट शोइंग नो कनेक्शन यार? So I've seen this happening couple of times. Okay, so I should have taken a left turn. I think मैं थोड़ा गलती कर दिया हूँ. Alright, so दोदबुलापुर से हमने ये straight रास्ता पकड़ लिया है, but I'm not sure if this is how it's gonna be for the rest of the ride. Then I have to be a bit careful, because it is still showing 1 hour 23 minutes. So it's a long way from here. Time is showing 9:31, huh? So I'll reach by 9:31. But yeah, scenic route. अच्छा लग रहा है. The roads are nice. There isn't a lot of मतलब potholes का ज़्यादा चक्कर नहीं है. So that's good. बाप रे आंटी जी, you gotta be careful आंटी जी. ये रूट तो मुझे कुछ खास अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, बिकॉज you're supposed to cross all cities and towns and villages. तो ऐसे वाले में क्या होता है ना कि फिर there will be too much of traffic, because right now it's 8 और तब ये हालत है. At around 9 o'clock 12 o'clock बहुत बुरी हालत होगी इसकी. So मैं देखता हूँ how far can I actually go. If it feels like it's becoming a bit much, then most probably I'll come back. बाकी देखते हैं. I think the experience is going to be very similar to Horsley Hills. Oh, it seems I have to take a left turn. हाँ, वहाँ से लेफ्ट टर्न भी लेना है कहीं. Where is the left turn? Where is the left turn? हाँ. जा तो वैसे स्ट्रेट भी सकते हैं, ये पता नहीं लेफ्ट टर्न क्यों दिखा रहा है. लेट मी टेक अ क्विक लुक. मुझे लगता है कुछ तो गड़बड़ है, बिकॉज आइडली देयर शुडंट हैव बीन अ लेफ्ट टर्न. पूरा स्ट्रेट है तब भी चल जाता. लेट मी सी. Okay, so I have to take this left turn. Alright, so I've taken a left turn. I think this will now straight go to the Black Buck Reserve. It's another 1 hour from here. देखते हैं कैसा रूट रहता है. लग तो अच्छा ही रहा है अभी तक, तो इट्स ऑल गुड. Hopefully it will be this way throughout. बाकी देखते हैं. Just 3 kilometers more. Now I can see the final destination point. Gotta be slow, easy. Very good. Okay, ये ब्लैक बक रिजर्व का नामो निशान नहीं है यहाँ पर. कहाँ है भाई ब्लैक बक रिजर्व? Have I come to the right place या पूरा गलत ही जगह आ गया हूँ? अरे भाई. अच्छा, ओके, दिस इज द वन. Can we go here? Huh? Let me stand up and let me drive. But where is the entry gate? Yeah, there is no entry gate. Oh, so this reserve doesn't have an entry gate. ओके, देखते हैं क्या है. Oh, so not a very touristy spot, because यहाँ पे तो बस फार्मलैंड वगैरह दिख रहे हैं, बाकी तो कुछ नहीं दिख रहा. Or maybe I have come to the wrong place, who knows. It is quite possible that I have come to the wrong place. Okay, Let's take a left turn here. Let's see what is here. Okay, let's go here. Wow. A good off-roading trail, huh? Where are the black bugs though? Okay, let me take a pause here. A quick break. A beautiful place if you really want to do off-roading. काफ़ी बढ़िया है. I couldn't see black bugs as of now, but I have only come like what I think a kilometer from the main road. So इतनी जल्दी तो anyway कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. So let's do one thing. Let's go here. Let's go थोड़ा सा more आगे. And let's see what do we have in store for us. It's now becoming a bit hot. थोड़ा सा गर्मी बढ़ती जा रही है. So I'm not going to stay here for very long. But where are the black bugs? I should at least be able to see something. A lot of gravels. I've got to be careful. Oh, you see that? वो देखो डियर भाग रहा है. Oh yeah, that's where we are. Yeah, देखो. Wow, that's the black buck. I'm not sure if you guys are able to see that. Wow. I only saw 2 black bucks. नहीं एक तो black buck था, दूसरा I think it's just a deer. I don't know how far can I actually go. Okay, let me go a bit more and then maybe I'll just take a U-turn. I'll not deviate from the main road. Woohoo! And if you have a drone here, that would be fun. पता नहीं यार black bugs ज़्यादा तो दिखे नहीं, 2 ही black bug दिखे. But I am still satisfied, at least कुछ तो दिखा. Because मुझे तो लग रहा था कुछ भी नहीं दिखेगा मुझे. ओए, ये क्या है? ओह, lot of pigeons. All right, so that's all about Jayamangli Black Buck Reserve. It's a beautiful place. but do come with some snacks, water, कुछ खाने पीने का हो जाए तो it will be more fun, because यहाँ पे कुछ है नहीं. But a good place for adventure if you are into it. That's all about today's video. काफ़ी अच्छी जगह निकली है. Hope you guys also had some fun. But yeah, I'm gonna head back now. It's another 2.5 hours ride to home, and well, see you guys in the next video. If you guys like the video, please like, share and subscribe with your friends. Catch up with the next one. Bye bye.